So we are looking at the last part of this question. This question has to do with sequence and series and trigonometry. So just a reminder again, what is the sequence about? It's about right angle, triangle, each of them. We are shown here how the sequence is built. Excuse me. We are as well told that this side here is always 1. Okay. And take a note, they are showing you that every time a hypotenuse is a square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 4, square root of 5, and so on. So we get the idea. Now, in this part, the consecutive triangle in the sequence have the hypotenuse length of 26 and 25. So that length is 25, that length is 26. Now, that's a hypotenuse from the previous one, so that means this one is square root of 25, as shown in the diagram. Two of the angles in the diagram are marked X and Y. Okay. So what do we need to do? We need to find the value of sine of angle X plus Y without using calculator. Now, I will explain what they mean by that. Show all your working out and then give your answer in a very specific formula. We have terms and condition. Okay, so straight away we are seeing, okay, this is adding the two angle, isn't it? That's the sine of double angle. How do we, where have we seen that? That's our trigonometric identity. So we go to our table and look for the, not this side, for the appropriate formula where we have sine and two angles added. So yes, you can see that's the second formula here. So we write it down. We are saying, okay, this is what we're going to use. So obviously our own is X. So that will be X. And that will be X. And then second one is Y. So that will be Y as well. And that will be Y. Okay, so what do I need? I need those elements. So I need sine X and cos X. And then again, I need cos Y and sin Y. Okay, how do we get that? Well, we know it's a trigonometric ratio, isn't it? Right angle, triangle. So let's consider first our first triangle. This is my X, this is 1, this is square root of 25, and this is square root of 26. So sine, we go to the table, page 16. Oops, jump that. And that's our sine and cos formula. We just put that here. That's our angle. So that's our A side. Opposite is small a side. Opposite the right angle is C. And therefore the remaining one is B. So when I'm looking at sine of X, that will be what? A, which is 1, divided by C, which is square root of 26. And then cos of X, B, which is square root of 25, divided by C, square root of 26. And now we are repeating the same idea for our next triangle, where we have Y. And again, that is square root of 26. That's square root of 27. That's 1. And that's our A, right angle, C, and B. So sine of Y will be what? A, which is 1, divided by C, square root of 27. And cos of, well, not X, Y, will be B, which is square root of 26, and divided by C, square root of 27. Oh, don't know what was that here. Should be 27. Okay, so now we can write that out, our calculation. So that is sin of x, 1 over square root of 26 multiplied by cos of y is square root of 26 over square root of 27 plus cos of x, square root of 25 divided by square root of 26 multiply by sin of y. So sin of y, 1 over square root of 24. Now, I just noticed my mistake. Where did I get square root of 24? That is 1 over what? C, and C is 27. Oh my God, I'm so bad. Yeah, there is a name for it. I'm seeing one number writing a different number. Anyway, okay, so that's what we have. Now, what can we do here? Well, straight away, we can see that square root of 26 divided by square root of 26 is 1. Now, actually, square root of 25, that is 5. So we have 5 here. So 1 by 1. So I have 1 on top of the fraction. I have square root of 27 at the bottom of the fraction. I have 5 on top of the fraction. And square root of 26 multiplied by square root of 27. Where am I going with my calculation? Let's see. That's what I want, isn't it? That's the terms and condition of my answer. Actually, let's get that bigger so that we know where we are going. Okay, first of all, we can see that they are on one fraction line. So how can I make two of them on the same fraction line when I have plus in the middle? Well, I need the same denominator. I have 20 square root of 27 here. I'm missing square root of 26 multiply. So multiply by square root of 26. But that means as well I need to multiply top of the fraction by the square root of 26. So that means I have square root of 26 plus 5 divided by square root of 26 multiplied by square root of 27. I'm saying, okay, that's fine. So let's see our terms and condition. First have to be numbers, so that will be 5 plus, then I can have my square root, and t, which is the natural number, 26 is the natural number, so that's fine. And those two, how do they become 1? Because when I have them separate, I can have them on the 1 square root. So now, and that's not what they mean when they are saying without using calculator for you to actually do that multiplication in your head. No, you put that 26 by 27 in your calculator, square root of 26 multiplied by square root of 27. Actually, not the square root, the 26 by 27, because our calculator will eliminate that square root, will simplify it out, and we want it to remain a square root. So 26 multiplied by 27, 702. And there it is, we fulfill all the terms and condition of our answer here.